We've got the Robinson house. We just cleaned up the floors, so it's a good time to take a video before they get all destroyed again. Got the pantry, opening for the closet door, or the pocket door. Got outlets. They requested to move around most of the outlets and switches. So we got notes and everything about what they want wired to what. This is the doorway for the slider. They decided not to do a nook and are just doing blocking there instead. So because he wanted the wires hidden and there just wasn't enough room to do hidden wires and a nook in this, and this is an exterior wall right there. We got the beam that is raised in line with the other ones. They had to put these little strips on because when they leveled the walkway, they hung down about an inch below the beam, so they put the little strips on so it could be drywalled. That window has to be adjusted a little bit. I need to make sure the width of it is going to be okay with the handrail going in. Make sure we're not going to run into any issues there. It's entirely possible. We've got stairs are kind of halfway stripped down. It's always been on their list, but they've had other more pressing things to do. But the stairs are going to be stripped down soon, down to the stringers, and we'll probably leave these on there barely. Let's see, got all sorts of fun floor things. A few areas bubbled up a little bit once we got everything. I don't know if it must have gotten wet, but it bubbled up a little bit, but it's all in repair areas anyway, so there's some of this stuff is going to come out no matter what and be replaced. New window. This is the new closet. He wants these lights replaced. This window got moved. This one he wants to switch from the sliding doors to barn doors, so they both can open all the way up. So hopefully we can use the same doors. He just said he wants barn door hardware instead. Not a whole lot happening here. So there's a little bit of framing to do for the windows. We're kind of picking away at some of the smaller things, but the bulk of the framing is done. We do have an electrical rough in, except like I said, he wants a lot of it changed. So he's going to come in tomorrow and start working on the wiring and change all the boxes. Yep. That's VC stuff right here. He is waiting on him to come out. He was requested a while back, but he hasn't made it out yet. These columns, we're going to be taking off the wood and the drywall and then replacing this drywall with wood. And this wall is built with the doorway. He's asking about the possibility of moving this up. I didn't make any promises. It's a chase for all the HVAC up there. So I told him I'd have VC look at it and see if it was possible. But it's all built in with metal frames, so I didn't make any promises about what could be moved and what couldn't yet until VC comes out and sees how high it can go and what the size duct it needs to be. Nothing exciting in here. Bathroom's all stripped down. There is also some water intrusion here that needs to be addressed. So that's a relatively recent one. This is the one we're already aware of. One of the two we're already aware of. So now there's 3 water intrusion areas. And let's see if there's anything else. We do have stringers for the mudroom now. It's a sliding door. Pocket door for the powder room. Ceiling is now on, thanks to Omero, because Jose didn't want to do it. And that window is framed up and ready. It's in there. It's just covered up. And the tile just got delivered. Some of the plumbing's in here, the rest of it's inside. That's the windows over there.